Welcome to the 11th episode of Business with Tanmay, and today's topic is 3 lessons I learned as an entrepreneur. So let's quickly get started with our podcast. I want to help young entrepreneurs make the world a better place for all of us, and I hope that I can provide a few pearls of wisdom to make the process just a little bit easier. So I want to share few things I learned since last 8 months. Number 1, learn and absorb all that you can. It's not all about age either. To build a successful business, you must be willing to absorb knowledge wherever you can find it. Become a lifelong learner. Whether you spend hours on YouTube, listen to other young entrepreneurs, take courses, read or do your own personal research, you should always find ways to learn more. Number 2, don't worry about the age. Now, starting a business at any age is difficult, particularly when you haven't even finished your degree. So as a result, you will likely to encouraged to wait. So you are inevitably going to face an uphill battle, particularly with people who think you are too young or inexperienced to run a business. While you should certainly listen to skeptics, you shouldn't let this mentality affect your drive to succeed, and you shouldn't respond emotionally. At the end of the day, you can't be successful without believing in yourself. If you start to believe that you are too young to be successful, it will become true. Therefore, never let yourself use your age as an excuse or allow others to make yourself doubt your potential based upon your age. Use your age as an advantage. You have more energy than you likely ever will. More drive to build, more drive to learn, and most likely the least responsibilities you will ever have. Number 3, knock new doors. It's important that you meet new people on your journey. It helps you discover things quickly. People share their experiences and can guide you. Meetups with successful people help you understand how they build it and what struggle they faced and how they overcome that. Teen entrepreneurs will have a hard time being taken seriously and opening doors. In many cases, you will have to work twice as hard as old entrepreneurs to get a foothold. Even if you have your business up and running, you still have to put in long hours and make a lot of sacrifices to grow and flourish. Fortunately, it's not all bad news. While every entrepreneur's path is a little different, most love what they do. So if you know this is the path for you, I hope that these tips can offer a window into my experiences and help teen entrepreneurs build a fulfilling, revolutionary business for future generations. Thank you.